So I'm working on this 2004, this is 2014 Hyundai Sonata with the 2.4, and I'm fixing to do the timing chain on it. For those of you that are following me, you already know I like to clean these engines. This engine was pretty caked up with a lot of gunk, and I ended up cleaning it top and bottom, top, front, outside, and the bottom too. It came out pretty clean. This is what I like to do when I do timing chain replacement. You guys don't have to do it like that, but that's just the way I do things. So everything is cleaned up and at the top. I'm gonna install the chain. I just want to let you know all of my bolts at the top are finger tight. And I clean the cams, I clean the head, I clean the cams, and I polish the camshafts. That's why they're loose. You don't have to do it like that if you're just doing the timing chain replacement, but I left it loose so I can have a little bit of a wiggle plate in here because it looks like it's gonna be a little hard to time this engine. So first thing you gotta do, you gotta bring your piston number 1 to top dead center. The way I know it's a top dead center, your keyway has to be at 9 o'clock, and it has to be pointing to the main cap, where the surface of the main cap, where it meets the block. So that's how you know you're top dead center. Or another way to know is your timing cover. Timing cover right there. As you can see, I put a mark right here. The T for top dead center, and then there's a notch on your pulley. That's how you know you're at top dead center. But if you don't have the cover on, obviously you know you're not gonna have the cover back on. You can just go by the keyway, by the key. It's got to be at 9 o'clock. Let me see if I can get a better view. Let's go ahead and start, but let me switch the camera. Let me see if I can get a better view. That way you can see it better. Okay, I think I got a better shot right there. Let's start with the chain. Notice I got a dot right here and another dot right here. And we also have a line right here. And there's another mark, another line right here. So we're gonna start at the bottom. The 2 dart links are gonna go on the camshafts, and the gold link is gonna go down here in the crankshaft. So let me start on this side. And let me just put a guide. That way it'll help us hold this chain in place. I'm gonna try to be out of your way, that way you can see. Okay, so right there, what we need is we need to turn this cam facer this way, and we need to turn this cam facer that way. So let's see. I'm using a 1 1/16 wrench for this side. So that's where we need to be. Yes, just trying to go back. this in here. I'm on the dot down here. Let me try to move the other one. Yeah, just gonna have to play with it. It'll be best if you got a helping hand. Okay, I'm in. Right now, I'm on time right there. Let me just put the other bowl. I'm on time right there. Start lane is on the dot. The start link is on the dot. And over here, my gold link is on the dot. And as you notice, this marks right here are facing each other. We need to put a mark right here. And this one right here. These two marks are facing each other. We are on time over here, then we are on time at the bottom. So next thing we're gonna do is put this guy on. That's our guy. And now we gotta put our tensioner. Install our tensioner. They do not come with gaskets. So don't come with gaskets, don't need gaskets. I don't even have my tools ready. Forgot about them. So we're gonna tighten these up to 9 foot-pounds. 8 foot-pounds, 9 foot-pounds. Either way. Yeah, all you need is 9 foot-pounds pressure. We are on time right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start tying this down. All right, they're not torqued to specs yet. I'm gonna go get the torque specs sheet, and that way we can torque them together. But right now I'm on time. I can go ahead and release this tensioner. And I had to do a video for the lower chain for the BMS. It's called the balance shaft module. Yeah, balance shaft module. I have another video off of it, so if you want to go back and watch it, it should be under my page. Uh, I believe it's called Hyundai Sonata, 2014 Hyundai Sonata BSM oil pump, and it'll show you how to time the pump with the crankshaft. But if you didn't mess with this, don't worry about it. As long as you are on time right here, you should be good. And if you wanna watch, if you wanna see how dirty this engine was, just watch that. I got a short. It's called 10,000 mile oil change. That way you can see how dirty, how bad this engine was, and how clean it looks. So let me go ahead and grab the torque specs sheet. I'll be right back. Okay, I found my torque specs sheet. I had to write it down because my printer went out of the ink right now. So basically, the camshaft bearing cap bolts, the M6, which is the small ones, they want us to do 4.3 pounds plus 8 or 9.4 pounds, foot-pounds. I don't know why doing 2 stages. So I'm gonna do 5 and then I'm gonna do 9. It's basically 9 foot-pounds, but I don't know why they're doing it like that. So let me do 5 first. I'm gonna start in the middle and then I'm gonna work my way out. We're gonna do 5 pounds. Kind of pointless. It is kind of pointless. Now I'm gonna do 9.4. It says 9.4, but I can't really do 9.4 in here, so I'm gonna set it to 9 pounds. Just let me double check, make sure I got them all. Okay, and the M8, they want you to do 10 pounds, 10.8, and then plus 20 pounds. So the M8 is gonna be this 4 right here. We're gonna do 10 pounds first. We're gonna do 10 pounds. with 10 pounds right there. And then it says plus 20. I don't think they meant 30. So you do 10 first and then you go to 20. So we're gonna do 20. It's kind of confusing how they put it in there, but I don't believe you need more than 20 pounds for these bolts. So we're just gonna do 20 pounds. 20 foot-pounds. And that's it. That's all you need. And your timing chain guide bolts, all of these right here, they're gonna go to 8.7 foot-pounds. We're just gonna do 9. We're just gonna do 9 pounds. We are at 10, 12. 11, 10. There you go. This one right here, this is the oil jet. The oil jet, always take it off and inspect it. Make sure that it's clean. It's clean, it's not clogged up. Always make sure it's clean. Because this one lubricates the chain and gears right here. So, oh Lord, it fell in there. Alright, I'm gonna try to fish it out. But that one's gonna be torqued down to 7.2 pounds. I would just go 8 pounds. But that's it. We are on time and we are torqued down to spec. All I gotta do is put the timing cover on and the pulley. And this engine should be ready to be installed. This is it for now, guys. I'm gonna try to fish that bolt out of there. And if you like this video you think is helpful for you, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. You guys have a good one. So this is the Hyundai Sonata. 2014 Hyundai Sonata. We're finally done with the engine, and I'm gonna start it up, and we're gonna scan this car for timing chain codes. We completed the installation of the engine. Starts right up. No misfires. I don't hear no misfires. No check engine light on, but I'm gonna scan it just in case. Let me see. It's 2014. If you get it wrong, if you get the balance shaft wrong, I believe you're gonna get timing chain codes. Seen a couple of cars that came in here and somebody did it. Somebody tried to do a timing chain replacement, and I think they got it wrong. I'm in the wrong. And there you go. There's no codes. Let me just scan for codes. I didn't get to work on those cars. It was actually two of them. One, it was the Hyundai, the SUV. I can't remember the SUV, what it's called. And the other one was a Sonata. And I can see how people might get it wrong. That's why I wanted to make this video and just show you how to install the timing chain properly. It just has codes for the body control. It's got a code for the body control module. Let's see it. Engine transmission codes, nothing. The anti-lock, the brakes, it's got some codes, but that's because I think the battery was out. But other than that, this car is running fine. I don't feel any misfire, no chicken in light. Our job here is complete, and another happy customer. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you are just doing the upper timing chain, you don't have to mess with the BSM, balance shaft module. This video is for that. But if you are if you have to do the lower chain and the upper chain, then the BSM, balance shaft module, is not included in this video. You can always go back and watch my other video. That way you know how to do both. That's all I wanted to add to this video. So this is for the upper timing chain, and I have another video for the lower timing chain. Thank you for watching.